If you've ever wanted ChatGPT Plus but didn't want to pay full price every month, stay with me. I'm going to show you how to unlock the exact same ChatGPT Plus experience, including GPT-5, DALL-E 3, Canva, and data analysis tools for a fraction of the normal cost. Let's be honest, ChatGPT Plus is incredible, but at nearly $20 a month, it adds up fast. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or small business owner, saving even half of that makes a difference. What most people don't realize is there are legitimate ways to access the same Plus features for less, safely and without losing anything. Before we talk about the cheaper option, here's what ChatGPT Plus actually gives you. You're not just getting faster replies, you're unlocking the full GPT-5 model that understands tone, context, and reasoning like never before. You also get DALL-E 3 for generating images, Canva integration for instant design, and tools that can read and explain complex data for you in seconds. Here's what most people don't know. There are two ways to access ChatGPT Plus: a private plan, your own personal seat, or a shared plan where a few verified users share one premium account securely. Both have identical GPT-5 access. Same speed, same models, same tools. The only difference is cost. Shared access costs around 5 to 6 euros a month. The real difference isn't in the software, it's an opportunity. I've used this setup for around a year now, and it's become one of the most useful tools in my daily work. It's helped me plan projects, write content faster, and even brainstorm creative ideas when I'm stuck. What I love most is that it feels like having a second brain, always ready to help without draining your budget every month. And that's the point. You don't need to overspend to use great technology. This approach gives you full ChatGPT Plus performance at a sustainable cost. Thousands of people are already doing it, creators, marketers, students, and it works flawlessly. So if you want full ChatGPT Plus access, GPT-5, DALL-E 3, Canva, and more, but don't want to overpay, I've left a link below. It'll take you directly to the page where you can choose the plan that fits your budget. I promised at the start I'd show you how to unlock the same power for less, and now you know how. Use AI smarter, not more expensively.